Hiding your PC inside a boring box in 2026 is a crime. Look at this instead. This open-frame gaming PC case is not just a case, it's a full display stage for your entire build. The skeletal exoskeleton design puts every component on show. Your GPU, RAM, motherboard, and RGB fans visible from every angle. The tempered glass panel adds a premium finish, while the open frame gives your components maximum airflow, so everything runs cooler and quieter. It supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, comes with RGB fans pre-installed, and has USB 3 front I/O. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading your battle station, this case makes your build the star of the room. Stop hiding your build, put it on display.